Well, guys, I may have some gossip for you. You know me, I'm a little bit nosy and I like to investigate. This road, apparently, there is a truck stuck right up there. And I was allowed to deliver a little bit farther up here. So, I really want to give it a check and see what's up. So I'm taking you guys along. See, there's the police guiding everybody over there, so they won't be able to come all the way up here. I know, usually semi trucks are not supposed to come this way. There it is. So that's what happened. Huh. Okay. There it is. Nosy me, always investigating. I just wanted to see what was going on. Oh, la. What is going on, guys? What is going on? It is a new day. It is a beautiful day. I hope that everything is doing well for you guys. And I am currently pulling off a driveway because I started about 40 minutes ago. And what can I say, guys? Today is quite the day. We have 182 stops. And believe it or not, it doesn't look that bad. But as always, you gotta wait until the end of the day so you can figure it out exactly how your route went. Because you can never say, oh, it's going well, or it's gonna go well, or it looks good. Oh, look at the squirrels playing. Dude, if you want to cross the street, do it now. Don't wait. I don't want to be responsible for your death. Oh, there's another one. Okay, they're good. So yeah, guys, it's going to be a day, if I could say that. And I also have a really bad headache right now. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't sleep as much. Last night I went to sleep at 2 a.m. Why? I don't know. I just wasn't tired. So I was working on a few little projects around my apartment so I can make it look nicer. And yeah, that's how my time went after I went home yesterday. Ouch. By the way, them things are dangerous. One day I hit myself against the grill and I caught myself. Whoop. No, not front door. Another safe location. That's usually where they want it to be. And by the way, you want to be as accurate as possible because at the end of the day, Amazon is going to use anything you do against you. So if you put the package in the front door and you marked it that it was another safe location, or let's say on the back, if the customer complains, you have everything to lose. Oh, I like that flag. I don't know what kind of flag it is anyway, but it looks nice. Whoop. There, right before you hit the grass. I should take a photo of this tree. Alright, now that I got my photo, it turns out that, well, it is. Oh man. Yeah, guys, like I said, it is going to be quite the day for me. And then tomorrow, Sunday, it's gonna be my Sunday. Probably I'll get to edit this video and I'll post it. I think by the time you're seeing this video, I'll be already on my country. You guys remember, I think it was last Saturday? Yes, last Saturday. By the way, today is Saturday. If I didn't say it. Last Saturday I was supposed to pick up my wife in Philadelphia. I think I hear a chick, man. Anyways, I was supposed to pick up my wife in Philadelphia, and the dispatcher at the end of the day told me that I needed to do a rescue because some people were behind and something happened and he needed the help. And I was like, sure, why not? So I ended up getting to my house at around 3 a.m. 2 or 3 a.m., something like that. My headache is not improving. It's just getting worse by the minute. And I also need to get a new hat for the camera because I don't know if you guys realize, but the hat that I'm currently wearing right now, it's super old and it's already looking disgusting. It has marks and many other things. Yeah, that is, I need a new hat badly. So I'm gonna see if I can go to one of the stores and get a simple hat so I can get by. Oh, who's calling me now? My uncle. Well, I'll talk to you guys in a minute. Well, guys, as it turns out, my uncle, short story. He does Amazon Flex every now and then, and it turns out that he picked up a route that is bringing him close to my house. So he wanted to figure it out if I was home so he could come and visit. And you know that we work on weekends, so yeah. That was that. I spoke to him for a little bit though, so that was a good thing. That trail. Oh guys, my headache is literally getting worse by the hour. I don't really know what the hell is going on. By the way, does anybody remember that house back there? That's the house with the big pond where they have the turtles. Krispy Kreme fundraising. Ooh. So they're raising money for the first 8 quad. Okay. That's interesting. And I could turn because nobody's coming, but goodness, I am so done. It's a good thing today is Saturday. It's my last day of work. I always wanted to have one of those little trucks. The only downside is that they are right-hand drive. So if you would want to go to a drive-through, it's gonna be a little bit of a mess. Unless you have a passenger, then you have them ordering for you. I haven't felt this tired in a long time. You know, I'm always tired. Always. Like I could always use a little nap throughout the day. But today, I don't know if it was because these totes are loaded as heck, because they were heavy this morning when I was loading them. 11. Oh, that's that one right there. And 12. And of course it has to be literally the last one I grab. Okay. Oh God. I feel so many things. Wait, isn't that one back there? Yeah.
How you doing,
Good, good. You have a good one, boss. It's a good thing I know this houses. So I was like, wait a minute. A is usually the one in the back. So why is it telling me to deliver it here in the front? Nobody knows. It's what it is. Ooh. Hello, Mr. Skeleton. I should borrow that blower. Use it on the truck. You guys wouldn't believe it. If you're someone watching this video and you don't know anything about delivering packages, like if you haven't worked delivering packages before, these trucks could get really, really dirty. As you could tell. And usually we, the drivers, are not interested in cleaning, you know, sweeping and other things because we are tired. So these trucks are just dirtier and dirtier and dirtier by the minute. See? It's something ridiculous. Oh well, guys. Let's enjoy the scenery. Right now I have you on my hand because I just want to show you guys this a little bit. You know, really quick. There is a farmer's market. Look at that. Pick your pumpkin and rides for the kids. I don't know. It's pretty dope. I like it. Now today is busier than ever. Like I said, this is mostly for the kids. They got a lot of vendors and stuff. I don't know. I like it. At least I like passing by here every Saturday. Usually they have a police officer doing traffic control. It's awesome. It's just awesome. They do have a lot of food trucks, which I really like. I don't know, maybe one day I should come. Yeah guys, that was a little something about that farm. It's called the ORT, O-T-R? No, sorry, O-R-T. Ort farm. Well guys, I may have some gossip for you. You know me, I'm a little bit nosy and I like to investigate. This road, apparently there is a truck stuck right up there, and I was allowed to deliver a little bit farther up here. So I really want to give it a check and see what's up. So I'm taking you guys along. See, there's the police guiding everybody over there, so they won't be able to come all the way up here. I know usually semi trucks are not supposed to come this way. There it is. So that's what happened. Huh. Okay. There it is. Nosy me, always investigating. I just wanted to see what was going on. Apparently the truck broke down on its way up. And a truck that loaded is not even supposed to come this high up. They're not supposed to use this road. That truck is loaded, guys. It's loaded. Oh! That's the... I guess that's the intro for today. Oh, man. And now we gotta go the same way that the police is You guys can go. Oh man, it's a day, it's a day. Man, I'm nosy. I had to see it for myself. It's still there. Okay, it's still there. They're still working on it.
Great. Drive shaft fell out.
Hey.
So he's done.
He's so done.
He's not going anywhere.
Well, you have a good one, boss. Guys, look who we have again. Hi, buddy. Yeah, you're always looking for a treat, huh? I don't have any. But guess what? When I come back from my vacation, you will get yours. Alright, buddy? He's like, I don't care. I want my treat now. Buddy. I need to know your name. So I can call you by your name. Yeah, I know. I'm tired too. I gotta go, buddy. Sorry. I know. I don't got anything today. Not today. Poor thing. Look at him. He's waiting for his treat so bad. I feel bad. But that's the thing. I don't have the money to be giving the treats all the time. That'll take me to bankruptcy. By the way, gift from my wife. Well, not a gift. She's always bringing them to her home. Anywho, guys, I think we're gonna leave it here for today. You know, we're about to do stuff 107, so that means I still got about 70 stops, 70 to 75 stops, which isn't that bad actually. But it is about to be 5 o'clock, and I know I move a little bit faster in this area, so I'll be done on time today, at least on time. My expectation was to be done by 7. Yeah, 7. So I can be out the station an hour early today, but it is what it is, you know. If we can't make it, we can't make it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. You guys are amazing. You guys are the best. There is a chicken! I love to see them running. And well, with that chicken, which is actually a female chicken, so it's a hen. Oh, there's more. 3 of them. They're looking for rocks. Nah, these don't know the calling. Anywho, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.